There are additional AHCA resources for consumers available on Florida Health Finder. On the home page, click AHCA Resources for Consumers. And now you can choose between links to the agency's news, the AHCA data submission and online reporting directory, a link to our boards and councils, ways to contact the agency, a link to doing business with AHCA, a guide to using Florida Health Finder, a way to provide feedback to the agency, and a site map. Let's click a couple of these, a link to our boards and councils. This takes us to our main agency website, AHCA.myflorida.com, and a list of the boards and councils hosted by the agency. You can click any of these names for more information about that board, council, or committee. If we click Contact the Agency, this will take us to the agency's contact page. You can find hotline information on consumer complaints, publication in the Information Call Center, links to Medicaid field offices, Health Quality Assurance Area Office Map, consumer information, and phone numbers and a mailing address for the agency.